Hey, do you want to learn how to download Monday.com desktop app on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, you need to search for Monday.com desktop app on your Chrome web browser. You could search on Google. Over here on the URL, I've got this Dashi plugin. So I'm using it over here. Then you need to search for it. So it's going to take you over here on Google. And here you're going to find Monday.com's desktop app, support.monday.com, this article. Click on it, and then it's going to take you over here. On it, you can scroll down. You'll find download the app. You can do a download for Mac, or you can do a download for Windows. So let's click on download for Windows. Here our download is done. Let's click on it to install it. All right, let's click on Run Monday. Next up, it's going to open up this type of a window where you have to first sign in. So you could either enter your work email address if you know about it. What I'm going to do is do the Google sign up. So let's click here. And I've signed up at the moment, and it says we have found few accounts connected to your email. So let's click here. Or you can also log into another account if you want. And there you go. We are now logged in to our desktop app on Monday.com. And that's it. That's how to install and download Monday.com desktop app to your PC or laptop. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more Monday.com related tutorials. So see you there, and bye for now.